Let's continue with the tutorial of the CAMFive EMB machine. On this video, we'll see other specs that your machine's control panel has. Let's get to it. We can find on the main screen the cursors that can move the frame every way. The machine has a 100-degree stop point, which, in case it turns off or has an emergency stop, has this button that allows to locate the starting point in degrees and to continue the embroidery. The scissors icon is for cutting the thread manually in case of putting the wrong color. The 2-needle icon is for the color change modes of the machine. Make the thread switch to manual, selecting the button in the lower right corner of the screen. In the lower left corner, you'll find the stitch per minute regulator. The next button gives you the option of going forward or backward in your embroidery while you are working. This button sends you to the starting point. The end button helps you when a correction is needed. This button is to confirm or abandon the embroidery. The parameters button has the configuration menu for your machine. Use the special features button when you have any of the extra accessories for your embroidery machine. We hope you find this video useful. Follow us on social media and our YouTube channel for more videos of your CAMFive EMB machines.